Mastering the Goldman Sachs full-time application means navigating its nuances, and this precise guide is your map to success. First, ensure you're on the official Goldman Sachs careers portal. If you're a returning applicant, use your existing credentials. You users will need to create an account, typically requiring your email address and a secure password. Double-check your entered information for typos. A single misplaced character can lead to login issues down the line. The application is broken into several key sections. Begin with personal information. Here, you'll input details like your full name, contact information, including a reliable phone number and email, and your current residential address. Accuracy is paramount. This is how they'll contact you. Next, the education section is critical. List all academic institutions attended, starting with your most recent. For each, input the university name, degree obtained, major, and anticipated or actual graduation date. Don't forget to include your GPA. Be prepared to upload transcripts later if requested. Now, dive into work experience chronologically. List your internships, previous full-time roles, or significant part-time positions for each entry. Detail the company, your job title, and the duration of your employment. Crucially, under responsibilities, use action verbs to concisely describe your key duties and achievements, quantifying them whenever possible. Think impact, not just tasks. The skills section is where you showcase your particular strengths. This often includes language proficiencies, technical skills like Microsoft Excel, Python, or specific financial software, and any other relevant competencies. Be honest and precise about your level of expertise. Many applications require essays or short answer questions to gauge your motivation and fit. Take your time to craft thoughtful, well-structured responses. Each answer should directly address the prompt, demonstrating your understanding of Goldman Sachs and the specific role you're applying for. Proofread rigorously for grammar and clarity. Finally, the attachments section. This is where you'll typically upload your resume and cover letter. Ensure these documents are tailored to the specific role, professionally formatted, and free of errors. Save your progress frequently throughout the entire process. Completing your Goldman Sachs application flawlessly is within reach with attention to detail at every step. Good luck.